Hello, this is Bill at Oak Creek Homes in Abilene. Here are a couple of homes that I thought might work well for you. First home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 76, a model 358 that comes out of our Lancaster factory. Just wanted to give you a quick video tour so you can kind of look them over. This home is in inventory and available for shipment right away. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, really like the accent color that's done out here. It's done with a 50-year warranty, exterior siding by Louisiana Pacific, dual thermal pane windows, and we'll take a walk through the inside here to give you a good look at that. Let my camera adjust a little bit. So when you come into the home, you'll see that you got a lot of light. They've put transom windows over the big daylight windows along this back wall. It's a really attractive kitchen, living room setup, done with the linoleum flooring so you don't have to deal with carpet. Really easy care flooring. All of your vents are up overhead in the ceiling. Ceiling fan is pre-installed. You've got the light box there in the kitchen. Cabinets that are in here are called Moonlight, and they're kind of an ivory colored cabinet. Wood cabinet doors, stainless steel appliance package. Those are included. Big old gooseneck faucet with a pull-out sprayer. I like having the cubbies over the top of the counters. You can also see there's a really good supply of outlets here in the kitchen. We come back around, I'll let you see how nice this front living room looks. Lots of windows, so you've got window over the sink, comes with a 2-inch mini blinds already installed. You've got the entertainment center already wired for the TV jacks and outlets. Another ceiling fan there in the living room. It's a good sized living room, gives you plenty of floor space for furniture placement. And then really like these windows that come back along this back wall. The island is done with an accent color. Black currant, got the drawer banks in between, got the cubbies on the end along with an outlet. Got a good sized little dining area here for your table. Bar stool seating here underneath the island. Just a real well thought out home. And when you come back to the back of the home, you've got a utility room that's dedicated for utility services. I've got a space for either a chest or upright freezer here in the utility area, and then it's set up also for full-size washer and dryer. You'll see that little red handle there, that's the whole house shut-off valve. So if nobody's going to be in the house and you want to deactivate the water pressure to the lines, you can do that. Primary bedroom, really good-sized bedroom. Also wired and braced for ceiling fan. You can see it there. Dual windows with the 2-inch mini blinds. And again, these are the dual thermal pane windows. You come back into the primary bathroom. You've got the big 72-inch deep soaker tub. You've got the transom window, towel cubbies overhead, and a dual vanity setup here in the bathroom with a drawer bank in between. This bathroom also has a really good size 48-inch shower here in the primary bathroom. We'll walk back down through and I'll show you the front bedrooms, also nice sized bedrooms. This is a really classy home at a very good price point. Be happy to help you with it. Coming up through the front, we go to bedroom number 1. It's done, they continue the linoleum here in this bedroom. Good sized closet. Again, the overhead vents, so you've got freedom of furniture placement. They put a window here in the hallway just to bring a little bit light in. I think that was a really good feature. Full-size guest bath with a tub shower combination and the vanity sink, trim mirrors. And then a really big front bedroom You know, if a person wanted to put bunks in here, you got plenty of room to do that. Kind of shows you that. This also has the LED lights in it, so it's a very good efficient light system that's in it. Just a really, really well done, well thought out home. This is home number 1, model 358.